Hi, a short video showing you how to change the battery in the latest BMW key fob. It's 2016 BMW. All you need to do is remove the actual metal key part by pressing the knob in the side, slide the key out, and then there's a little gap here. If you just flick that, turn it the other way, see the cap comes up. Should be able to get your fingers under. There's a plastic that clips up. There's your battery, a CR2032, and then all you have to do is just pop that out and get your new battery, 2032, plus side upwards. Click that in, get the plastic cover, clip that in, slide the key in, it clicks, and there you go, easy as that.